तारीख 31 मार्च 2022। समय हो गया 08:04 AM. So, Mr. Imran Khan, how's your feeling now? How's the gift I sent it to you? Do you enjoy? Myself Hitesh Mandal, Twitter handle @HiteshRe1. I want to see your angerness. I want to see something will come out from you. Let's see how much power you have in your balls. How much power Pakistani army has in their balls. It's really a wonderful feeling for me, and I'm feeling very happy. How was the feeling to Team Mariam? Do you enjoy the gift? I sent it to you. Yes, Mariam. Myself Hitesh Mandal, and I'm the same. I told you, we definitely will love to enjoy. I was the person who sanded 9,000 dead bodies of Pakistani commandos to you, to Pakistani army. I'm really feeling very, 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 very happiness. I can't tell to you. Well, it is unaccountable, and it's not fit in any measurement instrument. It's really wonderful. Now, what do you like to say? Would you like to enjoy your political regime, which is not? Now, what Pakistani media will do? Keep your mouth shut, because you can't show it. As a defeat, I told you and I warn you. My boys are that much capable. Now I want to see, I want to know how much others all you have. I will keep sending you. That was a gift for you by JSR Securities. And we are the most horrible dream for you. As I heard that you received it, no? How was the packing? How was the packing? Wonderful in wonderful packing and home delivery. Mariam, I send it to you. Home delivery. You are the person who designed the system not to deliver my goods to my home. It's really a top secret. Even the Indian Army not knows what we are sending to you. I would like to hear to you in news and media. I want to see your angerness. I want to see your words and your what you call it here. A feeling that you have so many ways to abuse it, but you can't. You bloody can't. Yes, I send it to you. Not claiming it, I send it to you. I'm not just claiming it like an IS. The blast did some blast do by someone else and they claim it. I ordered it to make a wonderful gift for Imran Khan to Pakistani political lobby to Mariam to buy wonderful gift is another is it at doorstep to Ravi Pizza. How would like to paint it, madam? You're a wonderful artist. Would you like to paint the sorrow and grief of Imran Khan in your paintings? And in your creativity, I would like to see what you say. Ayatullah Barakatuh. This is the thing. Whatever I understand you were saying to inside the video. Now what you do, you will design another control room to ban my videos to support Amitabh Bachchan here. You don't know what is my feeling this time. I'm feeling very happy. I would like to answer Gafur. What will be the answer of Bajwa? I want to see your powers. How much you have. You are all poor peoples. इसे कहते हैं पीपल का पत्ता छेदना. क्या चोट दिए यार. Come on Hitesh. It's a wonderful hit. क्या बल्ले में आते ही बाउंड्री पार. You started a balls or the ballers. Oh, come on, just making a bad battalion is never will announce you as a good batsman. I'm the one, and I'm the real one. I designed the game. I hit you in your that part, which gives you real pain inside. Now you can announce you the best Illuminati. Would you like to be? I warned you earlier. How many you have left? You all are on my gun points. We are really a very good snipers. What do you think? Would you like to send more? Would you like to send more? Would you like to open more graves? Open it. You don't care. I don't care. What Pakistan will do now? Even here, Indian Army and Mr. Nawara, they also not knows what I did. I told you my boys hasn't that much power and we don't need any kind of nuclear weapon and missiles. Not even guns. We are Razors Battalion. Chahiye wo chahiye. I told you. In just 03, we hit the bullseye. Did you go? Now what Mariam will do, what Bakhtawa Spare your beloved. Secure him. Your very soon, Jardari, we will gift you another wonderful gift at your doorstep. Would you like to penetrate again in the system by activating green acid here? Huh? Black or white? No. No, don't stop yourself. Just provoke me, yaar. I want more provocation. I want more provocation. You don't know Mr. Imran. You don't know Mr. Bajo. Very soon I will gift you another gift at your doorstep. What will be your answer now? How much you like to pay me for the surprise gift? Cash on delivery. Extremely sorry to say. Tell him, sir, this is a cash on delivery payment. Never interrupt online business because I owns Amazon, Walmart. 90% of entire world's business. I told you, but your purpose is not taking interest and to listen me. I told you don't corrupt my roadrunners, but you are not listening, you jihadis, which is not belongs to you. You don't have rights to take it in. I told you not to bother us. It's not a subject of Indian Army. It's my. Because we love our consumers. Here in India, some of your Pakistani lovers were interrupting my online delivery business and cash on delivery. Now what you do? Do you going to call IS? Yeah, kids. Yeah, kids, yeah. Yeah, you all are kids. You all are kids. We sent a wonderful gift to you. Cash on delivery, Mariam. Now you tell me. No, I will not tell you the price. You tell me how much he works for you. Inside the packet. How much worth for Pakistan? I sent a special packet for you. There is my money. You tell me. If it's only a 10 rupees, give it to me. We will take it and go for another delivery. This is the game I designed. I told Mariam the same. Never give me a reason to show you my best delivery style. On time. My style to do the business. Best quality. Yes. Best design. On time. Tell me. Yes. You tell me. How much is worth for you? We bring for you. You tell me, Mariam. Do you have a balls or do you have a power to answer me in media? Oh, come in social media. You don't know any mainstream. This is my business. I told you. I told you, Mr. Imran. I told to Gafur also. Try to understand here. You're doing not good. What do you like to say? What would you like to say? Answer me. Cash and delivery. Ravi, your packet is at your doorstep in 2 packets. I'll send it to you. How much worth is? You tell me. Open the packets. Now the real pain will come in Ravi Fisa's painting. We design real artists, real leaders, the real. Okay, come on, yeah. Do you ever drink real fruit juice? Wonderful one, yeah. Yes, like Tropicana, real, excellent one. Real fruit juice. What do you like to say? Now the Pakistan has to answer us. How much the packet is worth for you? In trucks? We are getting late, sir. Do fast. Give us our payment to deliver your most lovable things at your doorstep. Wonderful one. Now what you say to me? Honey trap? You destroy the relations between India and Pakistan. I don't care. You stop Atari and Samjhota Express. You killed Namrata. You close the airspace of India, which is not under your jurisdiction. We are not Indian Army. We are Reserve Battalion. Yes. Yes, we sometimes we work for ASC also, Army Supply Corps Unit. Our delivery is best. Don't stop. No, they will never came to know. We always keep the packet secret. Never, but my boys will never open the packets. They are not like your Roadrunners. How are you, Mr. Coyote? He is the Coyote. Coyote team. Once I saw your face, I told to everyone. Would you like to? Identify the character, cartoon character inside the Imran Khan. That's why, well, when he visited to Kremlin, to Cartoon Network's house, I directly came to know Mr. Coyote. Now I'm the Roadrunner. We are the Roadrunners. JSR Securities. Yes, in our Roadrunner security. JS Roadrunner Securities. Still the same is going on. Yeah, you are the cartoon coyote. जिस मैंने बोला ना इमरान जिसने तुझे नहीं पहचाना वो अपनी माँ के पेट में है और इसी a wonderful dialogue मैंने कहा बढ़िया चेपा यार अच्छा लगा Karius will identify Marim also in the Ravi. You know who am I? Johnny Bravo? No. No. I'm the creator of Cartoon Network. I own Cartoon Network. You all are the cartoons. Cartoons at your doorstep. Open it. What is your first reaction, Ravi Pizda? I told you. Comes in Cartoon Network and start designing cartoon. But you don't know. I own Disney. World's all cartoons are mine. Mr. Coyote. How is the Roadrunners delivery at your doorstep? Now pay it fast. Babe, babe. Now Indian media. We are Roadrunners. We deliver something to Imran Khan and Mariam Nawaz and Rabi Pisuda. We never tell to anyone what is in delivery. No, if they open a packet in front of us, the IB knows. You can ask to IB what was inside the packet. Is that much intelligent IB and ISI who are working together? That is my style. How's the punch? Dichum. Dungudu में मारा ये याद रख